G'day guys, Troy from MoTackle Outdoors. This is a must-have book for any keen freshwater fisher. This book, The Codfather, is a story of Stuart Rowland's life and career dedicated to the study and conservation of Australian freshwater fish. Stuart was a scientist with New South Wales Fisheries for over 33 years, commencing in 1978. And studied native fish in the Murray-Darling and Clarence River systems. He developed hatchery techniques, described the biology of Murray cod, identified and named the eastern freshwater cod and Mary River cod, ran one of Australia's first conservation projects. He also identified infectious diseases of native fish and developed farming techniques for silver perch. Stuart's research has influenced management and conservation in southeastern Australia. And now the Murray cod and the endangered eastern freshwater cod, Mary River cod and trout cod are now recovering. However, in the chapter Goodbye Darling, Stuart is very concerned about the mismanagement and over-allocation of water that has become serious threats. With the unprecedented ecological disaster in the Darling River in 2018 to 2020, this book is a plea for our precious native fish and rivers. And Stuart says management must improve, otherwise we'll lose it forever. The Codfather is an awesome read of 621 pages, heaps of images and scientific information. To get your hands on this must-have book, go to motackle.com.au.